Have you ever walked through mountain valleys and wondered how a simple wildflower can feed birds, heal people, and shape local folklore all at once? Today, we meet the wild dog rose and its bright autumn fruit, known here in Alborz as Klik, a tiny jewel that hides a larger story of resilience, survival, and connection between humans and nature. The wild dog rose, Rosa canina, spreads across hillsides and forest edges throughout much of Eurasia. With arching stems, soft pink blossoms, and sharp protective thorns, it thrives where many delicate plants fail. In spring, its flowers attract bees and insects. By late summer, they transform into vivid red hips, the Klik that locals gather with care. Botanically, the dog rose is a deciduous shrub. Its leaves grow in pairs along a central stem, each one finely toothed. Beneath the petals lie numerous stamens surrounding a cluster of carpels that later swell into the fleshy hip. The plant relies on birds and mammals to disperse its seeds. They eat the fruit and carry the future of the species across the landscape. The life cycle follows the seasons. New shoots in spring, flowering by early summer, fruiting in autumn, and a quiet dormancy through winter. While hardy, the plant faces challenges. Aphids may drain its sap, fungal spots can scar the leaves, and caterpillars sometimes chew through young growth. Yet the dog rose adapts, sending new stems, sealing wounds, and persisting year after year. For centuries, people have valued rose hips for their nutrients. They are rich in vitamin C, fiber, and plant antioxidants. Teas, syrups, and jams made from Klik are traditionally used to ease sore throats and support the immune system. While research suggests potential benefits for joint comfort and skin health, these remedies should complement, not replace, medical treatment, and anyone with conditions or medications should consult a professional first. Look closely, and the dog rose becomes part of a greater drama. Bees gather nectar, birds find shelter among the thorns, and foxes nibble the fallen hips in winter's hunger. Each visitor plays a role, and the plant, in turn, shapes the small world around it. In these quiet exchanges, life weaves a network more intricate than any human design. As the camera dives closer, the familiar fruit becomes a strange new landscape. At 50 times magnification, the surface of the Klik reveals a mosaic of ridges and valleys, tiny fortresses that protect the seeds within. The glossy skin is dotted with pores, gates through which the fruit breathes and slowly loses moisture as it ripens. Under the lens, fine hairs appear like forests of glass needles. They deter insects and trap droplets of morning dew. Between them, crystals of sugars and plant pigments sparkle, recording sunlight gathered days and weeks before. Deeper still, we glimpse the fibrous walls surrounding the seeds, tough, interlocking cells designed to survive winter, drought, and tooth and beak alike. What seemed simple from afar is revealed as precise engineering, shaped by millions of seasons. Standing before this modest shrub, we are reminded that beauty and purpose often come in humble forms. From a fragile blossom to a healing fruit, the wild rose whispers of order, wisdom, and generosity embedded in creation. For many, such harmony points beyond the plant itself, to the hand of a creator who shapes every leaf and every season with meaning.